Greetings from beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. I'm Natasha, lowcountry local and real estate agent here in Charleston. If you want to know what it's like to live here, have a look around. People are kayaking, they're out on their boats. I'm coming to you from a very breezy and beautiful 79 degrees in Shem Creek Park. I would love to help welcome you home. I help welcome people daily here in Charleston, and I think people are starting to understand what is so special about this place. Plenty of room to get outside and enjoy, be in nature, watch a sunset with a glass of wine. This is one of many places around town where you can get outside and enjoy waterfront property opportunities. If you like to golf or play tennis, plenty of club opportunities, both private and public. So if you'd like to know more about what it's like to live here, please send me a message. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.